Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Easy Maths. Friends, today once again I am appearing before you with having some new topics. What is the topic? No, today's topic is LCM. What is LCM? First let me tell you its long form. L stands for lowest, C stands for common and M stands for multiple. Lowest common multiple. In the important basic topics of the mathematics, SCF and LCM also going to play a very important role. Okay friends, today I am going to discuss with you about LCM and its short tricks. I repeat once again, listen carefully. I am going to discuss before you today LCM and its short tricks. What are its short tricks? And what is it long trick? As I told you that it's a very important aspects of our learning mathematics. So we must know that LCM is most important, particularly when we solve the problems of rational numbers or it's a problems of fractions, decimals. We need to learn and we need to just find the LCM first, because in rational numbers and the fractions we come across and you involve with the denominators findings, with the denominators factors. So that's why it is most important for us to know what is the LCM. So as I told you that LCM means lowest common multiple. Okay. Let me take some numbers. Here I am going to take first the multiples. Okay. See that 2, 4 and 6. Let us understand what exactly the LCM means and what is its significance. See that, write the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, okay, 18, 20. Means you may know that it is a table of 2. Because 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are blah blah blah, 2 10s are 20. Okay. Now write these the multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 12, 16, 20. Then 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So these are the multiples of 4. I have written the multiples up to 10 10 in each of the number. Now the next number is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and this is 54, 60. What is the purpose of writing all these multiples? You may be surprising that I am writing you the tables of 2, 4 and 6. Yes, indeed it is correct that I am writing the tables of these three numbers. But I want to draw your attention here, friends. See that in these two multiples, 4 multiples and 6 multiples, what is the first common thing you find it? What is the first common thing you find? 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 4, 8, 12, 6, 12. See that. This is the first common multiple. Are you able to find? This is the first common multiple. In 2, it has come in the 6th place. In 4, it has come in the 3rd place. And in 6, it has come in the 2nd place itself. That means it is a 6 and it is the 3rd and it is the 2nd. So 12, 12, 12 is the common multiple of all these three multiples of the numbers. 2 multiples, 4 multiples, 6 multiples. 12 is the first common multiple. The first common multiple, it is the lowest. So you may be thinking about it, what is the second common multiple? You just multiply the second number, this is 24, 2 12s are 24. You must just multiply it is, then where it comes, it is, already it has come in that 4 6 are 24. And in this one, it is 12, this 6 4s are 24. So this is the second common multiple. But we are not here to discuss about the all common multiples. We are here about to discuss about the first common multiple, which we particularly term it as the lowest common multiple. So 12 is the lowest. First, it is the smallest, and it is also a common multiple. Therefore, we can say that the LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. Okay, it's all right. In the beginning of my introduction, I told you that I am going to discuss with you today about its common tricks. What is the common tricks now? And this trick is applicable for the common multiple. This is very important. It should be a multiple. Does it apply and applicable for the other? Yes, but the 100% it is applicable for the common multiple. That is the multiples of the same number 2, 4 and 6. What is my short trick? See that 2, 4, 6. First, this is the biggest number. Okay. Then what is the LCM of this 2, 4, 6 according to my short trick? 2 divides 4. 2 is out of the scene. But 4 divides 6? No. Then what should I find it? No. I should see that what is divisible by 4 after 6. 2 divides 4, okay, 2 has gone out. Now I have to just compare this 4 and 6. What divides this? Say, what is divisible by 4 now? 4 is not going to divide 6. I should multiply some number so that it is divisible by 4. So I take 2 and multiply. 6 2s are 12. Is it 4 divides 12 and 12 is divisible by 4? Yes, indeed, 4 1s are 4 3s are. So how did I just get this one? I obtained this number by multiplying the 6 with the 2 and I tested it that is it divisible by 4 or not. Yes, therefore our LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12 according to the short tricks. Okay, according to the short tricks our LCM is this one. Now let me take another example 2, 4, 6, 8 and 16. Alright. Let me see that. According to the short trick, I repeat again and again, I reiterate before you that this problems is solved on the basis of the short tricks. 2 divides 4. Yes, 4 divides 16. Alright. Then what about 8 divides 16? Then what is not dividing this one? See this one. Okay. 6 divides 16? No. No way. What is the number? I should multiply 16 so that it is divisible by 6. I repeat, what is the number? I should multiply with the 16 so it's divisible by 6. See that 2 divides 4, 4 divides 8 and 8 divides 16. They are all out of the scene. No, only I have to see that the which is not divisible by 16 is not divisible by the given term is 6 only. So 6 2s are 32. Multiply. So 6 is not divisible by 6 is not going to divide 32. Then 6 3s are 48. See that 16 3s are 48. 16 2s are I beg your pardon. 16 2s are 32. Then 32 is not divisible by 6. Now I change the number. 16 3s are 48. 48 is divisible by 6. When it is divisible by 6, then without any further doubts you can say that 2, 4, 6, 8 and 16 its LCM is how much? It is 48. But you may be having some kind of confusion or a doubt that how these 4 numbers are this LCM divisible with these numbers. Yes, this is 2 24s are, this is 4 12s are, this is 6 8s are, this is 8 6s are, and this is 16 3s are. Okay, these are all short tricks stands. Now let me just take you to the old and traditional methods of finding the LCM, that is by division method. We put just a horizontal column and a vertical column and go on just dividing with the prime numbers. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. And again 2 1s are, 3 carry it. Because in this division method, which are the number is divisible, we first divide it, and which are not divisible, we carry it for the further division. This is 2 2s and this is 2 4s, and this is 2 1s, 3 is being carried out, 2 2s, and again it is 2 ones are 3 is being carried out, and the last it is 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 twos are 24, 24 twos are 48. Yes, it's a traditional and conventional method, and it is a trick method. Okay, short trick method. Okay, students and my viewers, we will proceed on to some more examples, which is based on finding the LCM by short trick method. In between, it's my sincere appeal, my dear students and viewers, my dear teachers, please do subscribe my channel, and you just watch it, share it to your friends. This is very important. I would say that my teachers, my teacher fraternity, my teacher community, whosoever may be, and whatever may be the medium, you belong to any medium, because of your convenient, I am going to just make the videos in two language, that is in bilingual. One is in English and another is in Urdu. And inshallah, in future days to come, in forthcoming days, I am having plan to start in my beautiful regional state language, that is my Kannada language. Then very shortly I am going to just start and begin in Kannada also. But at right now I am having only these two videos, that is in English as well as in Urdu. My sincere appeal to you all, what you are waiting for it, just subscribe it, share among your friends and discuss it, and teachers particularly. So whichever the medium you may be teaching, you just follow the method and introduce some innovative form. Innovation is very important. Okay, this conventional is okay, everybody is knowing and everybody is following. Why don't you go for this some non-conventional methods? Okay, I further come to next. I come to the next problems. So I have taken all the examples before you. This is for what? It is a which number? It is the only even numbers. Now take some odd numbers. 3, 9 and 15. Okay, 3, 9 and 15. I have taken the odd numbers. Now this is 3 ones are 3 threes are. 3 is out of the scene. Alright, 3 is out of the scene. What about 9? 9 divides 15? No, not at all. It's not dividing 15. As usual in my short trick, the method says that if it is not dividing this number to this one, you find out some other number so that it is divisible. If I multiply with 2, 30, then 30 is not divisible by what? 9. If I just multiply 15 with 3, 45, then 45 is divisible by 9, isn't it? 45 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9 fives are. Therefore, the LCM of 3, 9 and 15 is what? It is 45. Come to your conventional and very old method which we are having. Just see that 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 fives are. 3 ones are, 5 is carried out for the further division, 5 ones are. Multiply all the factors, factorization, 1 5 is a 5, 5 3 is a 15, 15 3 is a 45. Yes, this is a wonderful method. This is a wonderful method. So the students can gain interest and they will find some new enlightenment in their learning process. Coming to the next thing. So remember that if we write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What I have written? I have written the natural numbers, I have written the counting numbers. What is the purpose behind this writing the number? The purpose behind writing this number is, viewers, that I want to show something important in this one. See, this is 1 and 2, then 2 and 3, then 3 and 4. The consecutive numbers 1 and 2, the consecutive numbers 2 and 3, the consecutive numbers 3 and 4, the consecutive numbers 4 and 5. When you take consecutive numbers in pair, I repeat, when you take consecutive numbers in pair, you will find that the LCM between any two consecutive number is none other than only the one. Sorry, I just beg your pardon. The LCM between the two consecutive numbers is their direct product. Okay, their direct product. You don't find any common thing at all, the common factor at all. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. What is our conclusion? Our conclusion is, viewers, the LCM between any two consecutive means one after the other. The LCM between the any two consecutive numbers is always their product. And the HCF between any two consecutive number, I just little bit in a confusion I said, the HCF between any two consecutive number is always 1. The HCF of 1 and 2 is 1, 2 and 3 is 1, 3 and 4 is 1. HCF between two consecutive number is 1. LCM between two consecutive number is the direct product. I hope you understand these things. These two consecutive numbers, or these number also have a term, we call it is a coprime. What we have? We have a term coprime. Is it clear? Okay. Now coming to the other thing before you, I would like to take some more example so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Suppose what about the prime numbers? So viewers, I would like to remind you one important thing, that some of the mysterious facts about the prime numbers I have discussed in my previous video, the mystery about the prime numbers. Don't miss to watch it. I once again request you, please don't miss to watch it. See, it's very important for all of us that we have to just strengthen our knowledge, we have to enhance our knowledge. So please, you do not have to invest anything, only you have to invest the thing is that what you have to just click your finger on my subscribe button and you should start watching it. Okay. Now I am going to write prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. I have written the first 5 prime numbers. What is their LCM? We need not to go for any method, neither short trick method nor the long method. The only thing is what you have to do, first see that they are all primes, isn't it? So what is the prime? They do not have any common factor other than 1. If you talk about their HCF of all these primes, the HCF will be what? It is directly 1. As I told you that the HCF of between any two consecutive number is always 1, and LCM between any two consecutive number is their direct product. Okay. Now here 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, the LCM will be their product 2 multiplies 3 multiplies 5 multiplies 7 multiplies 11. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 37s are 210, and 210 into 11 is 0, 1s are 1 carry, 11 2s are 22 plus 1 3. 2310 is the LCM of all the 5 first prime numbers. If you go on just doing, if you go on practicing, you will find that the product of the prime number itself is their LCM. Okay. So this is all about the lowest common multiple. Okay. What is the application of this one now? What is the application? I would like to quote a very simple example. See, there are two friends. Okay. There are two friends in a month of July. There are two friends in a month of July. They visit the park for exercise or jogging or walking. So, okay, Arun and Asif are two friends, isn't it? But they have planned it that the fourth date of the month July, Arun is going to just jog or visit the park, and for this 8th of the day of the July month, Asif is going to visit. All right. Now, what is the next further date? What is the next further date? They both come and join for that day. Okay. They should meet same day. Arun and Asif, because the date of the Arun is 4th of the month and date of the Asif is 8th of the month. What is the next day that they are going to meet the same time at the same date? So find the LCM of 4 and 8. So this is 2 2s are 2 4s are. This is 2 1s are 2 2s are. This is 2 1s are. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the on 8th of the day, that is on 8th of that month, both Arun and Asif will meet, isn't it? Arun and Asif will meet. 8th is the next. Then what is the next date that they will meet? Just you guess it and you just answer me in my comments. And I find that you are not giving any comments at all, and I don't understand what's the reason. Okay, as much as possible I am going to make my language very simple and very lucid and very understandable. Hope you like this. And most of my friends, those who are watching, my contemporaries, my colleagues, my well-wishers, here is an apply, here is an just a little appeal by your friend that you please share this, subscribe this and circulate this and view more and more and make it successful, inshallah, in future days to come. As I announced in my previous video that I am going to start the arithmetic progression. This is for the 10th standard. Yes, I am going to just give some more videos on arithmetic progression in the next coming days. So this is a sincere request for almost all the high school teachers, those who are teaching the arithmetic progression. Friends, just you take this video and try to share with your students, and also you also watch it and make it successful. With this, I am going to once again just take a leave from you, and I am going to end up my video saying goodbye to you all. Thank you.